Good morning, fam. Welcome to day 28 of our May Reset Challenge. If your back feels stiff, your breath feels shallow, or your thoughts are racing ahead of your body, don't power through. Realign first. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, shoulders stacked over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin towards your chest. This isn't just motion, it's spinal breath work. You've likely been holding yesterday in your back, and this is where we let it go. I promise, this simple rhythm resets your nervous system, relieves mid-back tension, and re-coordinates your breath with your movement. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced switches, let the wave travel from your tailbone to your crown. You'll be twisting soon. This move sets up your spine to do it safely. Pause. One more rep. Go slower than your thoughts. That just reactivated your spine. Now let's unlock the sides. From all fours, thread your right arm underneath your left. Let your right shoulder and ear melt into the mat. Left hand presses gently into the ground and reaches forward. This is how we wring out tension from the thoracic spine. I promise this improves spinal rotation and drains the pressure that builds between the shoulder blades. Beginners, keep the left hand planted. Advanced stretches, reach the left arm forward for a deeper twist. Do you feel that release in your mid-back? If not, relax your neck and exhale fully into the floor. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just unraveled the right side. Time to reset the left. Slide your left arm under your right. Sink into the twist. Breathe. One side will always feel tighter. Don't force it. Just feel it. This side may be where your stress hides, and that's why it needs the most breath. I promise this move isn't just for mobility. It's for mental space. Beginners, ease the twist and relax your jaw. Advanced stretches, deepen the reach and slow your breathing. Most people twist with their neck. Today, you're twisting with your spine. One more breath. That's just unlocked your back. Now let's soften the pressure. Lower onto your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Press gently into the ground as you lift your chest, keeping the hips grounded. This is your spine learning to extend without stress. I promise this gentle back bend reverses slouching, boosts circulation to your spine, and preps your posture for the day. Beginners, widen your feet or lower your chest. Advanced stretches, press into your palms and lift your even higher. Do you feel your lower back and chest reconnecting? That's spinal extension without strain. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now let's bring it all together with strength and length. Tuck your toes, press back into downward dog, hips high, heels stretched down. Take 2 deep breaths. Now inhale, ripple forward into cobra. Drop your hips, lift your chest. Then exhale, press back again into downward dog. This is spinal wave work. Lengthen, compress, release, repeat. I promise this dynamic combo stretches your entire back line while strengthening your spine through motion. Beginners, bend your knees in downward dog and keep cobra low. Advanced stretches, flow slowly between the two, emphasizing core control. Can you make each transition smoother than the last? lost time through. Move like water. That's not just flexibility, that's flow restored. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, all delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.